So this problem is related to balancing redox reaction. So we have this equation. So you see, manganese has plus 7 oxidation state and here it has plus 2 oxidation state. So this is reduction half. Now in this case, carbon has plus 3 oxidation state and this carbon in CO2 has plus 4 oxidation state. So this is oxidation half. So let us balance two half using ion electron method. So we are using ion electron method. Medium is acidic. So this side we have 4 oxygen. So let us add 4 H2O. We have 8 hydrogen. So let us add 8 H plus. Now this side we have 5 extra plus charge. So we can add 5 electron. So this is the balanced half reaction. Similarly, we can balance another half, that is C2O4 2 minus oxalate ion converted into carbon dioxide. We have 2 carbon, so let us multiply by 2. Oxygen is balanced. This side we have 2 negative charge, so let us add 2 electron. Now we have to cancel electrons, so we can multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 5. So first equation becomes 2MnO4 minus 16H plus 10 electron to Mn2 plus at H2O. Similarly, we will have second equation. Now we can add these two half reactions. Electrons cancels. So we will have this overall reaction. We have been given this equation. Now we can compare coefficients to know the value of x by z. So you see, value of x is 2. You can see the right side also. The value of x is 2. Now the value of y, this is 5. You can see the right side also. So y is 5. Now z is 16. You see, z by 2, that is 8. You can check here. So basically z is equals to 16. So x is 2, y is 5 and z is 16. That is choice number 1. So in this case option 1 is correct.